Read the text in Activity A. Write T for true or F for false. 1. Shima didn't go to school because she wanted to stay at home. False. 2. Shima feels fine, but she has a sore throat. False. 3. Shima is warm because she has a fever. True. 4. Shima should eat even if she doesn't feel hungry. True. 5. Shima should try to go to school. False. 6. Shima and her brother should use the same cup and glass. False. Correct the false statements. Write them in your exercise book. Shima didn't go to school because she was ill. Shima is not fine. She has a cough and a sore throat. She has the flu. Shima should take rest at home. Shima and her brother shouldn't use the same cup and glass. Her brother can catch her illness from these things. Read the text again in Activity A. Complete the sentences. 1. Shima didn't go to school because B. She has the flu. 2. The doctor told Shima to A. Use her own plate and cup. Choose the correct answer. 1. What did the doctor suggest to cover her mouth with? B. Tissue. 2. We eat food to get D. Energy. 3. The doctor has prescribed Shima some D. Medicines. Shima has which one of the following? D. Cough, sore throat and fever. 5. You don't want to spread the dash to others. C. Virus. Example. Eat food that gives your body energy. You should eat food that gives your body energy. Pair word. Read the doctor's advice again in Activity A. Say the advice. Use should or shouldn't. You should try to eat even you aren't hungry. You should stay at home. You shouldn't go to school or work. You should drink a lot of water and juice. You should cover your mouth and nose. You should use a tissue. You shouldn't use your hand. You should wash your hands regularly. You should use your own plate, glass, and cup. Tick and cross. Click.